you ain't noticed that. I took away my sight. I couldn't see my friends. I could not breathe alone. You helped my lungs expand. Slowly losing my mind over you. Burn them like fire and smoke them like drugs. You like seeing me hurt, but I bet you ain't noticed that. You noticed that. You, I bet you ain't noticed that. You noticed that. You smoke up, then I wake up, get into it. I know that I'm a bad man, nothing to it. I knew that, kinda knew that. Don't tell me. I know that we'll be fine someday, my love. Slowly losing my mind over you. Burn them like fire and smoke them like drugs. You like seeing me hurt, but I bet you ain't noticed that. You noticed that. You, I bet you ain't noticed that. You noticed that.
Special to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders. Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Hey, good morning everyone. How are you guys doing? So we're back at it again today for another live trading session. So my views still remain the same, and I currently give out the signal in my Telegram channel. And as we can see, we can clearly see that the market still respected the resistance zone around this area. So we made the end, like the first entry that we made, it got stopped out, but the second one also got activated. And this is the current entry that I have. I give it out in Telegram. Let me add the credential here. I'm still expecting gold to give us a big sell to the downside. So like this is my current signal that I have in mind that will play out. Because if we're truly bearish, then gold should respect this recently created high. And currently my sell limit is active. But let's keep in mind that gold is also currently ranging, and that we also have NFP this week. So there's still a possibility that gold could stay in this range until Friday. But I saw an opportunity, I took the opportunity, and we're currently in the sell trade on gold. Did you guys make some money off the sell? But I very much doubt it, because price was ranging and all of that. Yeah, so like the sell limit is now reached. We need to see some rejection. Snoop, I do agree with your view, but let's see what will happen. Because let me delete these other things and clear out the chart a little bit, because this right here is a 1 hour resistance. So like if we're truly bearish, we shouldn't be trading above this 1 hour resistance. That is the reason why I'm taking a sell around this area. But gold could also have any other thing in mind. But that is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting gold to respect the resistance area for a sell further to the downside. Like this key level is being respected. We also took out previous day low, and that is just giving me more confirmation that gold will drop anytime. And that is why we took this re-entry on the sell around here. We were already selling yesterday. We had 2 positions on this area. We took a sell here, and we also took a sell around here. Yes, my sell limit is active. I'm in the sell. We are currently in the sell, and I'm honestly expecting gold to continue to the downside, because resistance is being respected, and we also took out previously low. But anything could happen, because the market is currently ranging. We do not know when it will be getting out of the ranging. But according to my strategy, the moment we take out previous day low, and now price is giving a pullback to continue down further. Like that is my current view. And according to my concept, and according to the things that I uphold to, gold should be continuing down. Unless you see that gold is going up and taking out previous day high, then gold is bullish. But as long as gold is respecting the high of Tuesday, we should continue on going down. That is my prediction for gold. So as long as the previous day high is being respected, there's always a possibility that gold will continue on going down. Because if you also take a look at the 1 hour chart, gold is also creating a lot of trendline liquidity around here. As you can see, like if you're an ICT trader, you know that this is a buyer trap. They're basically trapping buyers that are buying on the trend line. Does anyone have a different view on gold? What do they think? Do you guys think that gold will stay in the consolidation for the whole week, or will we get a breakout with NFP? You know, usually when gold is consolidating, the setups don't really become that high probable anymore. Let's see what gold wants to do. Like the most important thing that I want to see is gold must not break above previous day high. No, do not sell full margin, brother. We're currently sitting in a consolidation range. So brighter side is saying that the news was bullish for gold. Um, I will only consider it bullish when it breaks above previous day high. But the market is bearish, so the news might have only given gold a retracement into premium for further selling to the downside. So I will explain something to you guys. So for example, when the market is bearish, the market is creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and if a news drops when the market is bearish, usually when you see that the market is going up, when a news result came out and the market is bearish, like the news is only speeding up the retracement into premium for further sells. I will only consider it bullish only when we take out a lower high. Basically, if we take out yesterday high, then I will only consider that gold is bullish again. But as long as we do not do that, I will keep on looking for sells. Yeah, so basically these are my red levels where I really want to see gold break to eventually be looking for buys. But as long as gold is respecting these highs, gold will definitely sell. That is my view according to my analysis. And we also took our previous low, and we're currently sitting in a retracement phase to go to the downside. I will check Forex Factory to see what if we have any more news. So we also have the ISM Surface PMI newsletter at 3 o'clock, and Fed Chair Powell will also speak later. But I will not be trading Fed Chair Powell because it will be very late in the evening. I'll be only sticking with the news of 3 o'clock. But my view still remains the same. Let me check out silver. So I'm still in the sell. Let me delete these lines to make my chart a much more clearer. So like I said to you guys, I'm bearish on gold, but the moment I see that gold is breaking above these two highs, then I'll be switching to the bullish bias. So I just got stopped out from the sell, and now I'm basically going to wait and see what gold is trying to do, because we are still in a consolidation range. And if gold is truly bullish, then we should take out this high, and once we take out this high, then we'll be looking to get into a retest. But currently, as long as gold isn't breaking above this high right here, there's still a possibility that we might continue to the downside. But let's not forget that gold is also currently sitting in a range. So gold can be stuck here for a while, maybe even until NFP. So I'm currently waiting to see what gold is trying to do. We will break previous day high to eventually switch to the bullish bias, or will gold keep on respecting resistance to eventually give continuing with the sell? But as long as gold is respecting resistance, I will be looking for sells. Currently seeing that gold is currently respecting this area still. Let's see if this is just a liquidity grab. I want to see a bearish shift around this area before I enter into any sells again. So like as long as gold is respecting this resistance area, the possibility is still great that we might still get a sell today, as long as gold isn't breaking above this high. So that is currently my point of focus, and we'll be observing the 5-minute chart to see what gold is going to do around this area. You took out previous day low, and when you basically took out previous day low, you'll be using your Fibonacci tool to determine premium and discount. There was a key level around here, and that is the reason why we were selling around here. And the 70.5% level need to still be retested. Let's see. I'm not into any sells yet. I'm basically trying to wait for another retest around this area, then I'll be jumping into another sell. As long as gold is failing to continue on pushing up and breaking above these highs, you'll be definitely getting a great sell to ultimately collect these two lows. With the way gold is moving, I'm currently thinking that we should be entering into the sell now. Maybe I'll be using this 1-minute fair value gap. I think I'm going to be re-entering the gold sells on a retest. Then so gold basically just give us a big retracement, stop the first entry out. We took the first sell around here. But yeah, let's wait. I'm currently seeing a 1-minute fair value gap, so I'm looking for a entry on this 1 minute fair value gap. Let me write the credentials. I'll be taking a re-entry very soon. Remember, always lower your lot sizes. So this is my re-entry, the credential are on the screen. The first entry got stopped out. Wait, let me clear my chart a little bit. Can you guys still hear me? Hello? Yeah, so we took another sell on gold. I need to clear my chart a little bit, it's a bit messy. So this is the first sell that we took. Yes, and these are my current positions. Yes, I have re-enter. I basically give out a new limit. Yes, I'm currently in the cell. I'm in the cell. So this is my re-entry. As long as gold is still respecting our resistance level, there is still a possibility that gold will continue to the downside. Ultimately, this is my target. Okay, so the market is showing signs that it wants to sell. Yeah, so we did re-enter on the sell, and we're currently in. Damn, gold is really dropping. Yeah, so let's see if gold wants to continue on dropping further. And like I said, gold is currently respecting resistance level, and we also took our previous day low. So as long as gold isn't trading above previous day high, gold is very much going to the downside. It is very much going to melt. So like this is the main area that I don't want to see gold break. As long as gold isn't breaking this main area, we'll still continue to the downside. Yeah, and now we need to wait. We also have news in 1 hour and 28 minutes. Okay, let me check the calendar again. Yes, we have news in 1 hour and 28 minutes. And now we need to wait to see what gold wants to do. Our limit got activated, and now we need to see gold continue to the downside. So 2630. No, I'm not seeing it as a valid resistance. The reason why is if I actually go to the 1 hour chart, we can see a lot of trend line liquidity around here. Maybe I need to go to another gold chart to show it. So if I actually go to another gold chart, you can clearly see that there is a lot of trend line liquidity around this area. So like this, these areas are being respected a lot. But still, gold is breaking lower and lower, indicating to me that gold will break this resistance level. So to me, I'm not fond of using this resistance level because this level also failed to break to make gold break higher. Like gold respected this higher time frame resistance, and we're also respecting yesterday high. And we also took out previous day low today. So I do believe that gold will soon take out this support level and continue to the downside. That is my current view. I do not trust these areas for buyings. There's too much retest going around here. It does look like an inverted flag pattern for those people that are trading with pattern. But that is just my view on the market. Let's go back to our original chart. And our re-entry is still on. Let's see if gold will respect it and continue to the downside. We retested resistance around this area. Now we need to wait and see if gold wants to continue down further. Or you're still in the cells. Are you also in the upper one? Like, are you also still in the one of here? Because our second cell limit was around this area. But the first one did get stopped out. Like we took the first sell somewhere around here, and then the Asia market took us out. Okay, that's very great. So now we need to wait for the market to continue down, because I believe this is just a retracement. Even though gold went a little up to this high, but that is still not giving me the indication that gold is bullish. In order for me to be bullish, gold really needs to take out this resistance. But as long as gold isn't doing that, then yeah, I'm still on the bear side. I'll be putting my phone in the charge. Let me go find my charger. I'll be right back. Yes, I'm back, and we're still in the sell, looking to see if the market will respect the resistance level. And we're still going to get a new 30-minute candle in like 12 minutes. And then we have the news in 1 hour. Gold is very choppy. Hopefully we can get out of the consolidation phase today. Yes, it is taking very long, but we need to have patience. Or maybe the market just wants to stay in the consolidation phase until NFP. That's also a possibility. There's also a possibility that we might get out of it today. I'll be playing some music on the meantime, while I'll be patiently wait to see what gold is trying to do.
You're under the pressure. I lost my temper. I said something foolish. Did I go and ruin this? When it started to feel so real, could feel it running, running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving, loving for the rest of my days. No, I don't wanna be alone so late at night. So late at night. you down, I know. When it started to feel so real, could feel it running, running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving, loving for the rest of my days. So late at night, no, I don't wanna sleep, 'cause then I'm dreaming, then you're not real, my mind to keep. No, I don't wanna sleep, then I'm losing time, losing my chance to make you mine. So late at night, so late at night, it's so late at night. Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent. drive, fancy on a fast car. This is how you make me feel. Don't stress me now. I got the overdose. I'm feeling it in my bones. And if you say that I'm lying to you, you say it's a killing me. I wish I could fall asleep. The problem is you. Just wanna feel alright without you. Don't stress me now. I got the overdose. I'm feeling it in my bones. And if you say that I'm lying to you, you said it's a killing me. I wish I could fall asleep. The problem is you.
One mistake is all that it takes to break up the trust that we made. I'm open to changing my ways this time. Oh, why do I fall for it every time? I'd do anything to keep you mine. So just call my name. Tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? And I'll play your games as long as the fire doesn't fade away.
It's the flower, mine is lost. Beyond space, beyond time. Give me a fire, clear my mind. Tale of love, so divine. You are human, just like now. Ooh, I can see you in the dark. Ooh, take my hand and bring me back.
It's sunset on Friday, I'm stuck on the highway, it's been a while. I'm late to the party, you already started the sparkling wine. I need to find a spark to keep me from the dark. I'm looking for a fire start tonight to light me up all around. 'Cause you're the only one I'm thinking of. Don't let me burn to the ground. I wasted time, these city lights, still I can't get you out my mind. I need a fire start tonight. I'm looking for a I'm down in the mirror with perfume and glitter. I'm on the way. Feels like I'm 60. Your blue eyes and ripped jeans. What can I say? As long as there's a spark to keep me from the dark.
to protect your soul.
Hey guys, so I'm back. Um, so the second cell got stopped out. I'm not looking to make any more re-entry. I will soon update everything on my Telegram channel, but I will still be staying live because I really want to see where gold wants to go because I want to confirm the bias. So if you eventually go out and take out previous day high, then gold is for sure bullish now. We're no longer bearish. And if we do take out this high, then the trend should be very clear for all of us now. So I'm currently still going to stay in the live, and I'm still going to stay and wait for the news because I really want to see if gold is willing to break above this high. So if gold does break above this high, then we are officially bullish. Like the bias is no longer bearish and will be continuing to the upside. So I'll be staying live to see if we'll be getting that kind of scenario. And we also have news later. So I really want to see what the news will do. But I will no longer be entering any new trades. The market was also very choppy around this area. Very unsure of where it wants to go. Let me pull out a new chart. So I'll be staying live and seeing what gold wants to do. But for some reason, I still do believe that gold need to take out these lows. This is the other resistance point that we were selling last week. Yep, but for now, I'm just going to wait to see if gold wants to break this high. Once gold has broken above this high, then the bullish bias is confirmed for sure. And hopefully tomorrow we can get into a buy, because then we know what the bias is. So apparently the drop that basically came and took out these lows was basically just a liquidity grab to continue on pushing higher. So they basically took out all the buyers that were buying here, and now they're going for a higher price, but we still need to break above this high. Once we have broken above this high, then it's fully confirmed, and then the trend should be much clearer for tomorrow, because the market will no longer be stuck in a consolidation range, and then we can get some valid long setups on gold. But I'm still going to wait for the news because I really want to see what kind of reaction the news will give, even though I'm not going to be entering into any trades anymore. So I'm currently checking to see, will gold actually break above these two highs? Once these two highs are broken, gold is going to continue on going up. That is 100%. Because then the higher time frame will finally turn into bullish. But as long as gold is failing to do that, then we might get stuck in a consolidation, or gold might just melt to the downside. So I'm currently just observing the chart. Feel free to ask any question in the comment box. Do you guys actually think that gold will turn bullish from now on? What do you guys think? But what my current analysis is telling me, the moment gold start breaking above this high, then gold should continue on going up. But I'm not looking to get into the long move today. Like, the only best place we could have gotten into the long move was around here. And we should basically wait for price to cool down before getting into any longs. But we still need to break above this high. Like, if gold is failing to break above this zone, then the sells might continue. But then again, look at how choppy the market is. There's in no way you could stay that long in a position. Consolidation are literally the worst. Yeah, it is very hard to say because the market is currently trading in a box. It is going nowhere. It might be waiting on NFP. It's literally going up and down. But I'm still going to wait on the news and see what kind of reaction the news will give price. When I was analyzing the chart, I clearly saw that gold respected this resistance. We took out this high, we broke below this low. You take out your FIP, then you'll be getting your OTE. And we basically use these levels to sell gold. But the only thing that failed to happen is the movement to the downside. And in order to invalidate this whole thing, we really need to break above this box high. But if gold isn't breaking above it, then it's basically a 50-50 scenario. It's a 50-50 scenario that they could break. It's a 50-50 scenario that they could not break because the bias is not that clear. But maybe I need to also analyze silver because silver and gold, they basically move the same way. And when we're checking silver, silver is very clear. We're checking silver around here. So gold took liquidity around this area. We got the reversal point around here. So this is the chalk. So silver is very bullish, and we recently got a retest on this bullish order block. So if silver is bullish, then gold should be bullish because this is the reversal point from silver. I mean, like, silver is moving very nice. The bias isn't very hard to predict on silver. But if silver is going to go up, then I also believe that gold will break above that box high and also continue with the up movement. Yeah, so if silver is going to go up, then I believe that soon gold will also go up. Because silver is bullish. It's very clear on silver. The reversal is very clear there. But yeah, I'm still going to wait to see what kind of thing will play out. Will the bullish bias play out or will the bearish bias play out? So yeah, currently the wait is on that. We still have like 24 minutes before we get the news. and the structure is already looking bullish, but it's not 100% for sure. Like I said, as long as gold is respecting yesterday high, there's still a possibility that we might continue to the downside. But like I said, I'm not looking to get into more position because we do not know how long it will be taking gold to get out of this ranging market. It is very unsatisfying to be trading at this area. And if we're checking like the 15-minute, we're currently seeing some sort of bearish pressure around here. But I'm not going to be entering into any move anymore. If gold wants to melt, then it can melt. If it wants to go up, then it can go up. But this area right here is very confusing. But relentless, we're still seeing that the resistance is still being respected. So I'm willing to see what the outcome will be. Will the news give us the breakout, or will it not give us the breakout? Or will we get the breakout with NFP? That is the big question. So I'm just here sitting to watch, sitting and watching to see what gold wants to do, where it wants to go, without taking any more trades. I think that we should basically just wait for the market to break out of this consolidation before we start trading again, because the trend is not clear. And when the trend is not clear, like, the best thing to do is to just wait out until we get a breakout. And we're also currently seeing some bearish pressure. Maybe it's some sort of way to trick more people into selling and eventually it shoot up. It might also be the chance that we'll be missing to join in on the sell. But all the places that we were selling were near higher time frame resistance levels, and we see that those resistance levels got violated every time we were using them to sell. But still, gold is also failing to move higher. Like, it's currently retesting and respecting this area. But the reason why I was initially bearish on gold was because we took out previous day low. And if you know the bearish concept of mine, when the market is bearish, every time we create a new lower low, you will sell on resistance. You will sell on every retracement. And that was the plan that we were following today. We're honestly selling on resistance level after we have created the new lower low. But sometimes the market will do what it wants, so we need to just give it some room and see where it really wants to go. I'll be making a poll, and you guys can vote on that poll and decide and give me your full if gold will truly go to the upside or will it go to the downside. And we still have like 22 minutes until the news drop. And it will be very petty if we eventually see that gold is selling and we're not in the sell. Yes, we still have like 20 minutes until the news arrives, and hopefully that is the answer to fully confirm the bias, because the bias is very much unclear now, and we need some kind of significant movement to confirm everything. So I'll be checking the results on the poll. 100% of the viewer are saying that gold will be dumping. I too agree with that. But when we take a look at silver, like silver isn't also aligning with gold. Like silver is currently bullish. So there's still a possibility that gold might also continue to the upside, because this is the reversal point on silver. The retest, we got another break of structure here, another retest, another break of structure. So if these two really move the same, if silver and gold really moves the same, then I believe the pump move on gold should be arriving anytime soon. But still, we still need to break above this high, because if we do not break above it, there's still a possibility that we might go to the downside. But we're just watching the chart. We're not doing anything. So yeah, let's see. Let's just see and watch and give out our opinion and keep on analyzing and taking notes. But what do you guys think? I see that most of the viewers are still saying that gold will be dumping based on the poll result. But we're eventually going to see when the news drop. I'm going to be playing some music and 5 minutes before the news. Then I will start talking again.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
is slowly taken away. I miss the way that we were in harmony. I'm having trouble letting go. I close my eyes and wish you were closer. Now we're like footprints in the snow, slowly fading until it's over. Our memories will last forever. Now love you for eternity. So baby, let's get back together. I'll show you what you need, a symphony. Propose that we embrace love, hope, and our affection. Nostalgia is crashing down, a bittersweet burning feeling. 'Cause when I start to look around, home isn't the same way you're leaving. Our memories won't last forever. I'll love you for eternity. So baby, let's get back together. I'll show you what you need, a symphony.
So guys, I'm back. We still have 5 minutes until the news drop. So I'm not going to be placing any new trades. I just want to see the reaction that the news will give gold. Will gold actually break above this high and continue on with the bullish bias, or will resistance still hold and give us a massive sell down? Because as I explained before, I'm personally expecting gold to basically take out this low. Like that was also my main TP target, but unfortunately when we're selling around here we're getting stopped out. So it's not recommendable to me anymore to get into new position until the bias is much more clearer. Or will gold actually decide to stick in this box? But if I'm actually looking at a 2-hour chart, I'm not seeing anything that is supporting any long. But I also could be wrong because the market is ranging. It still need to use direction. But if I should blindly follow my analysis, then it's telling me it's going to go down. But then again, when we look at silver, we see that silver is pushing up. So that is also something else. Let's get back to gold. But eventually we'll see with the news result. Will the news result give us the needed movement that we want to see to give us the direction on gold? Or will we need to wait until NFP? So our question will be answered very soon. In 4 minutes. In 4 minutes, we will definitely know if gold will officially go to the downside or to the upside. Will it keep on respecting resistance, or will it disrespect the resistance and push up? Lots of people are saying selling, lots of people are saying buying, but eventually we're going to see what the end result will be. We still have like 2 minutes and 30 seconds left until the news drop. So everything should be much clearer now. So yeah, let's wait on the news. We still have 2 minutes. And now we still have less than 2 minutes before the news drop. So we're going to see where gold wants to go officially. Will we finally break the resistance and go to the upside, or will gold just keep on respecting the resistance and continue to the downside? So we have less than 20 seconds before the news drop. What are your guys' prediction? Will we get a massive melt to the downside, or will we get a shoot to the upside? Personally, if gold is still respecting this resistance level, then we should be getting a massive sell and destroying all the people that are buying on this trend line. Okay, the news is out. I'm not seeing any significant changes on price action yet. Let's see if the results are out. I'm going on Forex Factory. The results are also out. Currently lower than the previous one. Let's check the US dollar very fast. So we're not seeing any significant movement. We're not seeing any significant movement yet. So I personally think that gold is basically waiting on NFP to finally give us a clear direction. So basically trading this week is pretty useless. But I do have a feeling that we might still go to the downside. But yeah, I'll be staying on for another 50 minutes if I don't see anything significant. Then I will be ending the live. I do not think that I will be trading tomorrow because I don't want to trade again in this mess. Unless it's clear. Unless we get a clear direction, then I'll be trading. But yeah, I'm still going to wait and see. Maybe we can get some good volume there still. But we're currently not seeing anything significant. It seems like gold is going to stay in this boring box. And gold is also currently failing to get above previous day high. But what is the view? What do you guys have in mind? Yeah, sell side does make more sense when we actually look at the chart because my analysis is still telling me that we will be getting a sell. But when will the sell start? That is the big question. Will we get it today? Or will we get it with NFP? But then getting it with NFP is a bit risky for me. To all of us, you can say. I'll be ending the live very soon because gold is just not going anywhere. It's just basically retesting the same levels over and over again. It's very much possible, but yeah, we'll see if gold will still want to respect this area. If it doesn't want to respect it, so for example, the moment we see that gold is trading below this low right here, there's a possibility that we might get a little bit drop or a full drop. So we need to break this low, because currently the structure here is bullish, and in order for us to start selling around that area, we need to break below this low. And also breaking below this low, then we are definitely sure that this area as a TP target will be reached. But if that isn't happening, then we might break above yesterday's high and eventually continue with the movement to the upside. I think I'll be ending the live stream because we're not seeing anything significant happen. I will not be trading tomorrow, but I will still be watching the chart. Unless I see that gold is breaking a significant high or low, and it indicated as a clear structure, like not the one of this week from Monday, Tuesday, then I might trade tomorrow. But gold is currently sitting in one big pile of mess, and it's also very frustrating if you're in a position, but gold is not going anywhere. So I'll be ending the live stream very soon. I'll be giving update on Telegram channel, so make sure that you're in my Telegram channel. So yeah, I think this was it for today. Nothing special, nothing interesting. So we'll be talking through the social media channels, and if we do break above this high, then we'll be trading live tomorrow. And if you see that gold is breaking above these lows, then we'll be trading live tomorrow. But if we're not seeing anything of those happening before New York, then there will be no live stream in New York, nor any signals will be given, because we don't want to get into any trades and stay in this old mess. So I'll be seeing you guys when the market is much clearer. Thank you guys for watching.
Experience is to feel the adrenaline running through our veins, like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world for an opportunity of a lifetime, looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory. Seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments. Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments. Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you